Today I'm going to be staying in a luxury wood cabin called Woud Blokhuis in Dullstroom, South Africa. My plan is to document Dullstroom and my stay at Woud Blokhuis. I'll show you a tour of the cabin, where to eat and what you can do there. Let's go! Welcome to a wood cabin called Woud Blokhuis. This place looks awesome. Let's go check it out. I really love this wood cabin right here in Dullstroom, South Africa. I definitely feel a sense of peace and calmness here because of the forest that surrounds us. There's something special about this place and I think you guys will feel it as well, especially if you come and stay here. If you have a look on Airbnb and search Woud Blokhuis, you'll see that there is a timber cabin in the forest. That sounds pretty cool to me, so if you want to look up more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description as well. So, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at Woud Blokhuis and make your way to the parking that they have available here on the property. Wow. Welcome inside Woud Blokhuis. When you first walk in, the wood catches your eye, which is kind of expected because it's a wood cabin. Let's start off with the living room. There is a really calming vibe in here and it kind of makes me want to pick up a book from the shelf and start reading. This seems like a good read. It's called How Dogs Work. I'll tell you more about it when I read it. I'm not going to read it. There are plenty of places to sit in here, but I think my favorite chair is this one I'm sitting on right now. There's also a chess set, so maybe I'll challenge my dad to a game a little bit later. Let's see if he thinks he'll take the dub. I already know his answer, but I'm going to take the dub. You think you can beat me at a game of chess? I'm ready.
Checkmate.
Checkmate. Game on. Anyways, let's move on to the dining room. There is a beautiful wooden table and benches right in the center of the cabin. I really like this table because I think it suits the theme of this cabin really well. There is also a wooden cabinet with all sorts of games inside, which we may or may not be using. Maybe I'll learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I don't know if I have the time for that. This table seems like a premium spot to eat some food. So speaking of food, let's go check out the kitchen. This is a cool kitchen, but I think the first thing that catches your eye is this marble countertop island in the middle of the kitchen. There's a gas stove, oven, microwave, fridge, sink, washing machine, dryer, and there are stools that you can sit on that you can eat the food that you're making here. I'm still waiting for my food. They also have a complimentary coffee and tea station over here. Can we please just take a second to appreciate the amazing lighting in here? This is due to the large windows around the cabin that provide a 360-degree view of the surrounding forest. There is a really relaxing vibe in this room and it makes me want to sit on this futon and read. I found this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. I haven't actually read it, but I've heard a lot about it and I've only heard good things. I do recommend to read for myself as well. But this futon actually changes into a bed. Let's try to fold it out and see if we can make it into a bed. I've got a broken wrist, so it's a little bit difficult to pull this futon out. So I'm going to require the assistance of my dad. Welcome there. Say hello to the people. Your head's not in the shot. Let's do it, man. What's up? Let's go. Hey. And that is how to make a futon. And that is how to make a futon with that. Let's move on to the bedroom. Moving on to the bedroom, I really like the black floor that matches with the cupboards, pillows, blankets, and the bedside lights. This goes well with the wood on the walls and the bedside tables. And in the center of the room, there is a double bed. Obviously, we have to test it out. I would run and jump on the bed, but I don't want to hurt myself. I've already hurt myself. It's a pretty good bed, no complaints. Next up, we have the bathroom, and I love it. The white tiles on the walls is the main thing that stands out, and it is beautiful. Making this bathroom look even better is the light that is coming in from the windows. There is a round basin with a black tap and handles that matches with the mirror. And finally, the toilet looks great, and it's pretty normal. That is everything inside the cabin. Now let's go check out the outside. When you first walk outside, you'll see that there is this deck right here, and it's pretty cool. When you look around, there is these massive trees surrounding this cabin. It feels almost like you're in a forest. I love being in nature and this is a perfect spot just for that. There's a bra outside here which we may use a bit later. There's also a bra inside, so I'm not 100% sure which one we're going to use, but there is a Weber if you want a bra outside. There's also a really cool washing line outside here which looks man-made, so if you want to do some washing, there are washing machines inside and a washing line that you can hang up your clothes and dry them. This place is amazing and I am going to mention my mic again because I'm really excited about it. Just think it's cool, like I can speak at a normal volume level and you guys can hear me from over here, which is pretty cool. Let's go. So that is everything inside and outside of the wood cabin called Woud Blokhuis. Let's go see what else Dullstroom has to offer. I've actually been told to stop doing those transitions, so does anyone like those transitions or no? No? Someone just We have just arrived in town in Dullstroom here, and we are trying to find the place for lunch. We haven't really an idea of where to go, but let's go have a look around, see what we can find. So far, it's a beautiful looking little town. I'm really excited to see what it's about and test out this mic as well. How does the audio quality sound? Does that sound crisp and clear? Let's go. Hello, how are you? We just sat down at this restaurant called Mayfly in Dullstroom here. I've ordered a margarita pizza and my dad has ordered a hake and chips. So I'm sure the food's going to be good. I'll review it for you when the food arrives. But right now it is boiling in Dullstroom and we have ordered 2 cold beers and a boiling hot day. It's probably around 30 degrees Celsius here. This is very needed. Cheers. The food just arrived and the food looks pretty good. I don't really have anything to knock off it off first look. I'm gonna get involved in this pizza. It's good. It's hot, which is good, what I like. Very cheesy, I must say. It's a good mix with the sauce. There's not too much crust. I like a thin base as well. What's your thoughts on the hake there?
Hake delicious, well fried. Chips are nasty, deep fried, very, very saucy, a winner.
That is food reviews with Brad and Dad. Gotta make an intro to that or something. We're gonna eat our food. I'll check you guys after lunch. The sign over here says, want to go whiskey tasting? Drop the underage tier. There's a little kids playground on the right over here, and I'm about to drop my dad off and I'm gonna go drink some whiskey. We have just arrived in quite a famous spot here in Dullstroom. It is called Woud Blokhuis. It is a whiskey spot here in Dullstroom. They have apparently every type of whiskey you can want. So we're gonna go inside, see what they're about. Hopefully my dad can buy himself a nice bottle. Let's go. We are just walking around the store here and it is beautiful inside. There are so many bottles. Apparently there are 3,000 open bottles inside here. They also hold whiskey tastings over here. So if you want to come sit, drink some whiskey, you can do that. We're not gonna get a whiskey, but we did enjoy our time here. Let's see what else Dullstroom has to offer. As you can see behind me here, there's a pond, and basically what these ponds are here in Dullstroom are for fly fishing. There is a lot of trout in these ponds, and a lot of the hotels here in Dullstroom have these ponds, and you can go and fly fish and catch some trout. We are currently sitting at this hotel called Critchley Hackle. It is a hotel here in Dullstroom. We have sat down here. We have ordered 2 scones with cream and a coffee and a tea. The coffee just arrived and I'm really excited because I'm feeling quite tired. So let's put some sweetening, some sugar, sweetening for me, and let's see what it tastes like. So my dad's asking me if that would pass the mom test, and he's saying that because my mom's a bit of a coffee critic. Coffee snob, critic, however you want to phrase it. Aficionado, even a better word. And I guess that's kind of gone onto me as well. It's a pretty good coffee. One more taste just to get a rating out of 10. I'll give it a 7.6 out of 10. Am I being harsh? Probably, because of my mom. Very specific number, you know. We are legit here at wildlifebybrad coffee tasting. Thank you for coming. I'll be here once a week. The scones just arrived and this is what it looks like. Based off presentation, great job. It looks very good. This is what we're working with. We got some jam, got some cream. That was pretty good. I would give it a rating out of 10, but I haven't eaten enough scones in my lifetime to actually give it an accurate rating. Thumbs up. So, that has been our time here at Woud Blokhuis and in Dullstroom, and I've really enjoyed my time here. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well and got a feel of what it's like to come stay. So hopefully I've influenced you to come stay in the future. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. And after you let's go. And after you catch the trout together, they're gonna cook you up some nice supper. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm making my way up to the cabin. It's pretty cool. I might even look like a fool. Shame. Before coming here, I didn't really know how to pronounce futon. I thought it could have been futon or fatten or futon, but it's futon. Futon, yeah? I still don't know. It's futon. I think. I don't know. Hey there, what's up, man? Did you not see I was recording?
Where's the camera?
Behind you. Who's filming us? What are you guys looking at? And I think my dad's about to take a video of me. Well, I'm taking a video of him. Cut's easy. That's always a good sign of a good scone. As you guys know, I am a scone connoisseur.